Welcome to this lesson on simple present spelling rules. In English, when we use the simple present tense with third-person singular subjects like he, she, or it, we need to add special endings to verbs. These endings follow specific spelling rules that we will learn today. Understanding these rules is essential for speaking and writing English correctly. Our first rule is for regular verbs. Most verbs simply add the letter S to form the third-person singular. For example, the verb play becomes plays when we say he plays. The verb work becomes works, eat becomes eats, and live becomes lives. This is the most basic and common spelling rule in simple present tense. The second rule applies to verbs that end in sibilant sounds. These are sounds like S, double S, SH, CH, X, and Z. When a verb ends with any of these sounds, we add Es instead of just S, for example. Pass becomes passes, kiss becomes kisses, wash becomes washes, catch becomes catches, and fix becomes fixes. We add Es because it helps us pronounce these words more clearly. Our third rule deals with verbs ending in the letter Y. When a verb ends in a consonant followed by Y, we change the Y to I and add Es. For example, study becomes studies, carry becomes carries, and try becomes tries. However, if the Y is preceded by a vowel, we simply add S so the verb play becomes plays. Remember, consonant plus Y always changes to IES. Some verbs do not follow the regular spelling rules. These are called irregular verbs. 3 important special cases are have, do, and go. The verb have becomes has in third-person singular. We say she has a book. The verb do becomes does. We say he does his homework. The verb go becomes goes. We say it goes to the store. These 3 verbs must be memorized because they do not follow the standard patterns. Now let us review all the spelling rules we learned. Rule 1. Regular verbs add just S, like work becomes works and eat becomes eats. Rule 2. Verbs ending in sibilant sounds add Es, like pass becomes passes and watch becomes watches. Rule 3. Verbs ending in consonant plus Y change to IES, like study becomes studies and try becomes tries. And remember the special cases: have becomes has, do becomes does, and go becomes goes. Practice these rules to master the simple present tense.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.